How to buy Labubu on Resale. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy Labubu on Resale. Now, if you head over to the official website of PopMart, which is popmart.com, you will find that Labubus are out of stock. So, if you want to buy Labubu, you can do that on the secondary market. For this, open up any web browser and head over to facebook.com, log into your account. Now, click on the marketplace option. Here, you want to search for Labubu. You will find different options here. Now, to buy Labubu from resellers without overpaying, you want to know the fair price. Retail runs from $20 to $25, so anything above $35 is usually too high. You want to look at the completed listing to see what buyers actually pay. Now, once you've found the Labubu you want to buy, you simply want to click on that. Then you want to send seller a message. Now you want to chat with the seller and purchase Labubu from here, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.